Hey you guys, it's your girl Leandria back with another video. There was a few things that I did want to mention before I just got right into the video. One, I noticed that my subscribers are growing, you feel me? And I wanted to let you guys know that I appreciate the love and support for real. Like, I know I only have like 300 and something subscribers, which isn't a lot in most cases, but it's just the fact that like over 300 people really give a damn about your girl. Like, I think that is so dope. So, you know, we're just growing, you know, you're growing with me and I appreciate the support for real. I love y'all. And the second thing that I wanted to say was I did a video on cut creases because that's something that I struggle with. Like, I don't do cut creases good at all. So I just don't do them, you know what I mean? I don't use the brown shades because I feel like they look dirty on me. So today I did both and I just kind of challenged myself to actually make it a look. I feel like there was a few things that I could have done better on, but I was like, I'm still gonna post this because like I want, you know, you guys to know that I'm not perfect and, you know, I don't have to try to be. Like, I'm still human, you know? So cut creases is something that I'm willing to practice on and get better on because it's like I'm always learning, if that makes sense. I'm always open to learning new things, and a cut crease is definitely one that I'm willing to learn. I'm up for the challenge. So anyway, I just, you know, decided to make it a look. Thank God it turned out okay. There was a few things that I would change about it, but for the most part, I can go outside looking like this today. So we good. Go ahead and check my video out. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And for all my new subscribers, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for the love and support. Like, you guys are freaking awesome. Here's my video, so check it out. Keep watching. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And don't be too critical in the comments, okay? Anywho, so we're just gonna use my Juvia's Place palette. I did my foundation and brows and stuff already first because I didn't want the video to be too long. And also, I'm just so used to doing my eyeshadow after, you know, so it just felt weird doing my brows before my everything else. So it was just like, let me just do what I normally do and try to keep it nice and neat when we do this cut crease. So we are going to use Burkina. I'm like, no, today we're gonna get this look right and we gonna rock it today. Anyway, so I'm just going to blend up on top of my crease this color. It's like a subtle brown. So we're gonna start. Oh no, look what I just fucking did. Oh my God, like a huge chunk just came. Oh, damn. Now that that is on, I'm going to take my Morphe palette. I think this is 350M as in Mary. And we're just gonna go in, we're gonna build up from like light brown to dark brown so it doesn't look too harsh. Another Morphe brush. We're gonna use this color. And then just pat it on like so. I'm just like randomly picking the brown shade, like the brown shades from there. Like just going from like a light to a dark brown, if that makes sense. I think. Okay, so how does that look? Do we look dirty, y'all? So you really just want to pat, like do a patting motion, because that's what gives you like the most like color payoff. I learned myself that you don't just freaking, you know, dab the brush and eyeshadow and then just like windshield wiper motion. Like, you gotta pack it on and then lightly like let the brush do its thing. So I'm still learning. I love makeup. I do it very often, but it's like there's always more to know. So I'm just learning. So anyway, so I'm gonna take one more dark brown before I like do the cut crease, which is going to be, I mean, not a challenge, but this is the part where I kind of steer clear from because I don't really do it good enough to me. I know we are our biggest critic or whatever, but you know, anyway, so So I got the browns on that I'm gonna use. I'm just kind of playing it safe a little bit because I don't want to get like too dark and then I'll look like a drag queen, you know what I mean? So yeah. So I'm going to take this super flat brush. It's a MAC 242 brush. I think it's flat enough to use. So yeah, concealer, just some light concealer, y'all. Please, moment of silence for this cut crease. So, dipping the brush really good. All right, y'all, so hold your breath, please. So I know that like when you do first start it or whatever, you put some right there and then you look up to kind of get an idea of where it's supposed to be at. But for whatever reason, it's not doing it for me. Like, I don't know why, but. Okay, now this. Okay, so I know where it's supposed to be, okay? Wish me luck, please. Okay. Okay, so this is the part that's like annoying because like I don't know how to freaking like, okay, well maybe the shape isn't so bad, I guess. It's not so bad, I guess. How do y'all? And I kind of think what's like usually annoying is because like I got extra meat on my lid, so it just kind of looks funny, but I still want to do it just to say I did it, you know. I did it. I think that's a good shape, I think. So now I'm just taking the color Dawn from my Subculture palette and like setting the concealer so it can stay put basically. Yeah, I did pretty good though on that shape, like, damn. Okay. Okay, we looking good, girl. M506. So I'm really just gonna go back in with the brown just lightly to kind of like define it a little bit. Okay. I'm gonna take Dahlia right here, winging it. So I think this is gonna be bomb on top of this. So it looks bomb. I don't know if the lighting is not bright enough, but it looks good, y'all. Anyway, now I'm gonna use Casa Blanca. Oh, damn. Okay, babe. Damn, I don't know if it's picking it up good or not. I don't know. So another thing I feel like I should be doing is like I don't think this should have went out this far. Like it probably should have stopped like right there, but okay, we'll figure it out. Okay, so I'm looking and I feel like I probably should have did like the light color gold and then red, because it probably would look a little bit better. So I don't know, this is probably as good as it's gonna get. I don't know, like I'm just like, you know, whatever. We're gonna make this look good today because I'm actually going to wear it like this. I'm gonna do the other side off camera, but I do feel like maybe I should have did the light color gold and then the red color. Like, it'll probably would have looked better, but you know, you live and you learn. Because I don't really, I mean, for my eye, because I have like all these like little wrinkles, I feel like maybe it doesn't look, it's not supposed to look as good, but I'm just gonna do it, you know, whatever, and make it look good. So now I'm gonna add my eyeliner, you guys. We're gonna dress this failed cut crease up. Smashbox Always On eyeliner, and this is the best eyeliner that I've ever had in my entire life. Like, I'm talking about, it stays on all day and it does not move. So I remember before, like, just buying cheap NYX, but my eyes water a lot, like when I put lashes on water. So I do the eyeliner and it's bomb, but it'll be ruined because my eyes are watering. So this, my eyes be watering and it does not go nowhere and it stays all day. So I spent a few extra coins on this, but it is so worth it. I love it, and I'm going to use this like for the rest of my life. Anywho. Okay, so I feel a little bit better with my eyeliner on and my lashes. I literally just took like some random Amazon lashes and just stacked them. I've been wearing these lashes like all week. But anyway, yeah, so I feel a little bit better that my eyeliner is on my lashes. But one thing that I did learn is that I'm probably gonna need to go higher, since I like wearing thick eyeliner and my lashes are like, you know, like in the way. So I probably need to go a lot higher and stop being scared. So definitely a work in progress for sure. So underneath my eyes, without like ruining anything, hella shimmery stuff underneath there. I don't know if you can see, but because I'm not finna wipe this makeup off, like there's no fucking way. Setting powder on top. Let's see what it does. Okay, I think we did pretty good. So I think that actually was pretty good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and like finish my face on camera. Some Shadow Smoke by Anastasia Beverly Hills. You know, like more like subtle instead of it being like super harsh. So I just use that to contour my cheeks. And then also, like, I also take a brush, NW50. It's probably like a shade and a half darker than my skin tone, and I take that with a super skinny brush and just go alongside my nose. And I normally do this like after everything is like set, if that makes sense. Like after, like this is pretty much like the last thing that I do to kind of define my nose. Just go like a shade and a half darker. Like I don't want to be looking like, you know, I don't want it to look too harsh, if that makes sense. Because I mean, my nose, I mean, I like my nose, so it don't have to be super snatched. Okay, so I think that looks pretty good. Okay, so that looks good. Oh, my favorite part. Still using Poshmetics, y'all, and I think I have enough to last me like forever, so I'm gonna continue to use it. I'm just taking a random Morphe brush, and while my face is still wet, just add it on there. I'm like super dramatic with highlighting. You know how I get down, you know. I look good regardless. So put a little bit of this on my nose and just a dab. And I mean, they're doing construction in my area, so no, those are not gunshots, okay? Okay, so I think that's good on the highlight. So now we gotta add some color to these lips. Just taking a, let me sharpen it right quick. But I'm just taking a random NYX brown pencil. MAC lip glass in the color Lust. And I just put a lot on. Like, I do not play around. Okay, so I believe that I am finished. Okay, I do feel like a few things that I would have done differently was I would have did the light shimmer with gold and then red on the end, and I definitely would have made my crease a lot higher so you can like really see it with my lashes and thick ass eyeliner. But for the most part, like, I really like the look. Yeah, like I feel like I can only get better at it, and it doesn't hurt to keep practicing for sure. But I'm happy with it, you know, and I think the lashes probably like really you know, make the most of it, if that makes sense. Yeah, I would love to know what you guys think in the comments below about this look. So I do have things that I struggle with, and it's definitely the cut crease. So I'm just gonna post it anyway because I know somebody out there is probably like either feeling the same way as me or could use some inspiration or whatever. But my advice to everyone is just to keep going. Like, I was horrible when I first started doing makeup, and I just kept on doing it. And now, like, you know, I'm comfortable enough to do my makeup and actually go outside because it actually looks presentable, you know what I mean? So I definitely plan on to continue learning. And you know, so let me know what you think in the comments below. I'll post pictures at the end. And yeah, just like, comment, share, subscribe, and tell all your friends about me. I do thank you so much for the love and support, for sure. I try to get back to everyone that, you know, comments, or, you know, because I love you guys. Like, thank you so much for the support. You guys are the bomb. And until next time.